Hello everyone, this is Rabia. In this video, we are going to see about a sweet bite of physics behind French macarons. Have you ever eaten? You may find many flavors from almond to strawberry, lychee, even rosemary. You may buy one and bite into it. You met with the sensation of varying texture. First crunchy, then chew, then it melts into your mouth. In that moment, you pretend that you are in a France. Okay, let's see what is it and its bite. First, let's walk through its little history. It is nothing but a wonderful light French delight is created by sandwiching a two mergue based biscuit together with a jam or buttercream or any other filling. It was introduced by Italian chef of Queen Catherine de' Medici around 16th century in France. What are these macarons made up of? It may surprise you. You may know that these cookies is made from a simple ingredient like sugar, almond powder, beaten egg white and granulated sugar which is natural, gluten free and fat free, and then food colors. Then the preparation of macaroons includes two phrases, namely merguez and macaronage. First is phrases merguez. Compared to traditional cookies, macaroons are different because it is made up of a merguez, whereas most cookie batter are made up of a butter and flour. A merguez is made from a egg white and sugar, which is beaten into a delicate white cloud. Beaten egg white thereby denaturing its protein, creating a merguez. Then, how the structure is formed is the question arises here. In this process, the ball shaped protein ovalvalium, which is make up 60 to 65 percentage of protein in egg white, being unfolding. In this process, the positively and negatively charged part forms a bond, thus creates a new network. Soon enough, the little forming egg white becomes a four time of its size. A glossy, opaque white in color closely resembles like a wiped cream. As the egg white is continuously beaten, the protein is in the merguez forms a soft peak. On the molecular level, the protein have formed a bond with other around a water droplet which stabilizes the water droplet. The overbeaten and unbeaten egg white has its own consequence. As a protein continuously forming a bond, the water molecule held within the protein bond are forced out of the matrix. Therefore, a overbeaten egg white forms a broken or cracked shell, whereas unbeaten one creates a flat and stiff shell. The next step is macronage. It is just a critical one. It is mixing. In this stage, called macronage, the merguez mixture is folded into the almond flour and confectionery sugar mixture. This folding technique is essential to the success of the macarons. This folding technique makes all difference in the structure of macaron cookies, and deflating the batter with the right amount of almond powder ensures the interior of the cookies is chew and not hollow. Then the batter is piped onto either a parchment lined baking sheet or a macaron pan and left to dry slightly before placing into oven. Doing so enables the outer surface to harden slightly so that in the oven the air will escape from the bottom to opposed top, which may prevent from cracking of the surface. Then when it is placed in the oven, it should be maintained or baked in a suitable temperature. The uneven heat distribution will prevent the macaron forming a right characteristic bubble around the base of the cookie called flit, which is the true mark of true macaron. Then it is a surprised one. Here, a gas involved is ideal gas law, which is the backbone of macaron. The ideal gas law describes how the gas behave under a varying temperature, pressure, and a volume. It can be expressed by quite simple formula, which is P into V, which is equal to N into R into T. When the batter is placed in the oven, the heat develops. causes the air to expand within the batter. Then, therefore, as a result, increase in temperature increases the volume as well as the pressure, which gives rise to the shell. After that, the shells are removed from the oven and cooled. They may now piped with a filling such as buttercream or jam, like a sandwich structure. Now it is a time for maturation of macaroons. The maturation is nothing but leaving them in a fridge in a airtight container and then mature for 24 hours. They are best after 24 hours since the flavor will be absorbed into the shell. If your shell is hard, crunchy, or over baked, then allow the shell to absorb the moisture from the filling. It develops a distinctive, soft, and chewy structure. After 24 hours of maturation in the fridge, bring them back to the room temperature before 30 minutes before serving. Now the delicious macaroons are ready. This is the art and the bite of physics behind the macaroons. Thanks for watching.